Today I'm gonna make a traditional dish from Spain. It's a paella. Here we have the basics: onions, garlic, peppers, and then our seafood that we're gonna put in today is some prawns. We have some calamari squid, mussels, some clams. We're also gonna put some chicken. The vessel it's cooked in, it's a wide, shallow dish that takes high heat from the bottom so it dissipates the liquids quickly. So now we're just gonna sweat down the vegetables. Now we're gonna add the chicken and calamari, the squid. So at this point you wanna put the rice in. You wanna get it nice and toasted before you add any liquid. So we're gonna put 2 cups. Imported from Spain. This is the traditional Catas rice. Now we're gonna add our fish stock, which has been mixed with some saffron and other spices. So you wanna mix it one more time, make sure it gets well distributed throughout the rice. Now at this point, we're gonna add the seafood. Last thing to go is the shrimp. And now we're ready to go into the oven. And then about 15 to 20 minutes, it should be ready. It's a very popular dish. As you see the size of it, many people can share it with a few appetizers, a few tapas, maybe a tortilla, stuff like that.